What if I told you that a dirty, forgotten coin hiding in your pocket change drawer or old jar, the ultra-rare 1964 SMS Lincoln Penny and the most rare 1964 SMS Jefferson Nickel? These coins weren't meant for circulation, yet a few somehow slipped out, and today, even worn, old, and dirty examples are shocking the market with insane values. What if I told you that a dirty, worn 1964 penny sitting in your pocket right now could be worth tens of thousands of dollars? Most people ignore them, toss them into jars, or spend them without a second thought. But one rare version of this coin, the mysterious 1964 SMS Lincoln Penny, has shocked collectors with life-changing value. And here's the part that makes this even more unbelievable. Many of these coins don't look special at all. They look old, dull, even dirty. Let me take you into one of the biggest mysteries in modern coin collecting. Back in 1964, the United States Mint was under massive pressure. Coin shortages were everywhere. The government was scrambling to produce enough coins for circulation, and behind the scenes, experimental minting processes were taking place. That's where the mystery begins. Somewhere during this time, a very small number of special mint set coins, SMS coins, were secretly produced. These weren't regular circulation coins. They weren't official proof coins either. They had a unique finish, something in between. And somehow, a few of these coins slipped out into the world. For years, collectors didn't even know they existed. Until one shocking discovery changed everything. A collector examining what looked like an ordinary 1964 penny noticed something unusual. The surface wasn't typical. It had a soft, satin-like texture, even though the coin looked slightly worn and darkened over time. That coin was authenticated as a 1964 SMS Lincoln Penny. And when it went to auction, it sold for over $30,000. Let that sink in. One penny, turning into life-changing money. Now here's where things get even more exciting. If you want to find one of these coins, or even a valuable error version, you need to know exactly what to look for. Start with the date, 1964. No mint mark usually means Philadelphia. But here's the key, the surface and strike quality. SMS pennies have a very distinct look. Even if they're old and dirty, they often show a smooth, satin-like finish, sharper details than normal coins, a slightly reflective, but not mirror-like surface. Now hold that thought, because here's your first shocking reset. Some 1964 Lincoln pennies, not just SMS, have double die errors. This is where the design appears doubled, especially on the date, the word Liberty, or if you see clear doubling, you could be looking at a coin worth $5,000 to $7,000, even $10,000 or more, depending on condition and strength. Now go deeper. Look at Lincoln's face. Check the jawline, the lips, and the eye area. Any signs of doubling or unusual thickness in the design could mean big money. Flip the coin over. Look at the Lincoln Memorial. Pay close attention to the columns and steps. Weak or missing details could indicate a strike error, and collectors love those. Now here's something most people miss completely. The color. Some of the most valuable 1964 SMS pennies don't look shiny red like new coins. Instead, they appear brown, darkened, even dirty. Why? Because over time, the copper reacts with the environment. But underneath that toning, there could be a rare SMS surface or a mint error hiding. That dirty look could actually be your hidden treasure. Now here's another shocking fact to reset your attention. There are known off-center strike errors for 1964 pennies. If the design is shifted and part of the coin is blank, that's not damage. That's a mint error. And depending on how dramatic it is, these coins can sell for $1,000 to $5,000. But wait, it gets even crazier. Some 1964 pennies show clipped planchet errors where part of the coin is literally missing due to a cutting mistake at the mint. These unusual shapes can push values into the $2,000 to $3,000 range. Now imagine this. A 1964 penny that looks worn, maybe even scratched or dirty, but has an off-center strike, slight doubling, and a unique surface. That's when values can explode into life-changing territory. And yes, there are collectors who have paid over $50,000 for high-quality 1964 SMS Lincoln pennies with exceptional features. What if I told you a single, old, dirty 1964 Jefferson Nickel hiding in your change right now? Most people would never look twice at it, But collectors are quietly searching for one of the most mysterious coins ever made, the 1964 SMS Jefferson Nickel, and if you find one, it could mean life-changing value overnight. And here's the shocking part. Many of these coins don't look special at all. They look worn, dull, even dirty. Let me take you into one of the biggest mysteries in modern U.S. coin history. Back in 1964, the United States Mint was under pressure like never before. There was a nationwide coin shortage. People were hoarding silver coins, and the Mint was rushing to produce billions of new coins to keep the economy moving. But behind the scenes, something unusual was happening. A very small number of coins were struck using a special process, what collectors now call SMS, or special mint set coins. These weren't regular coins, and they weren't proofs either. They had a unique finish, something in between. And here's where it gets mysterious. The Mint never officially released a 1964 SMS set to the public. Yet somehow a handful of these coins escaped. For years, nobody even knew they existed. Until one day, a collector spotted something strange. A 1964 Jefferson Nickel that looked different. It wasn't shiny. It wasn't polished. It had a soft, almost satin-like texture, even though it looked slightly dark and aged. That coin was authenticated as a 1964 SMS Jefferson Nickel. And when it hit auction, it sold for over $20,000. One nickel turning into life-changing money. Now here's where things get exciting. Because you might actually find one. If you know what to look for. Start with the date, 1964. Then check the surface carefully. This is the most important part. SMS nickels have a very distinct look. Even if they appear old and dirty, they often show a smooth, satin-like finish, sharper details than normal nickels, a slightly reflective surface, but not mirror-like like proof coins. Now here's your first shocking reset. Some 1964 Jefferson nickels, especially SMS examples, show full steps on Monticello. Look closely at the reverse of the coin. If you can clearly see all the steps on the building, that's rare. And coins with full steps in high condition have sold for $5,000 to $10,000, even more. But it gets even better. There are also double die errors. Some doubled varieties have sold for $1,000 to $6,000, depending on strength and condition. Now let's go deeper. Check the rim. Run your finger along the edge. Does it feel uneven? Are the ridges weak or missing? That could be a partial collar error. These are extremely collectible. Some have sold for $800 to $3,000, especially when combined with other features. Now here's another shocking twist. There are known off-center strikes for 1964 Jefferson nickels. If the design is shifted and part of the coin is blank, that's not damage. That's a mint error. And depending on how dramatic it is, these coins can sell for $2,000 to $7,000. Now imagine this. A coin that looks worn, maybe even dirty, but has a satin SMS surface, full steps, and an off-center strike. That's when things jump into life-changing territory. We're talking serious big money. There are even reports of high-grade 1964 SMS Jefferson nickels selling privately for over $30,000. Yes, one nickel. Now let's talk about something that could make or break your discovery. The color. Most people think shiny coins are the most valuable. But with this coin, that's not always true. Some of the most valuable examples are dark, toned, even dirty-looking. Gray, deep nickel color, sometimes uneven. That's because natural toning can develop over decades, and it can actually help prove the coin hasn't been cleaned or altered. And that's exactly what collectors want. Which brings us to a critical warning. Never clean your coin. Cleaning can destroy the original surface and wipe out thousands of dollars in value instantly. That dirty look could be your hidden treasure. Now here's another attention reset. Some 1964 Jefferson nickels show die cracks and cuds, raised lines or blobs caused by damage to the die. These can appear near Jefferson's head or around Monticello. Depending on size and visibility, these coins can sell for $3,000 to $4,500 or more. And then there are struck-through errors. This happens when grease or debris blocks part of the design during minting. You might see missing details, faded areas, incomplete letters. These are not flaws. They're valuable. Some have sold for $400 to $1,500. Now think about this. Right now, in your house, in a jar, in a drawer, or even in your pocket, there could be a 1964 Jefferson nickel that looks completely ordinary, maybe even ugly. But one small detail, one hidden feature, could turn it into life-changing value. That's how hidden treasure works. So here's your checklist, don't miss this. Look for a 1964 Jefferson nickel. Check the surface, does it have a satin-like SMS finish? Look for full steps on Monticello. Examine Jefferson's face and lettering for doubling. Check the rim for irregularities. Look for off-center strikes or unusual shapes. And pay attention to the color. Dark, old, and dirty coins can be the most valuable. And most importantly, trust your eyes. If something looks different, don't ignore it, because that difference could be worth thousands. And here's the most exciting part. These coins are still out there. They're not locked away. They're not impossible to find. They're hiding in plain sight in everyday collections. Every nickel you see could be big money. So tonight, don't ignore your coins. Go through them. Check every 1964 Jefferson nickel you can find. Because one discovery, one moment, could change everything. And the next time you hear about a nickel selling for $20,000 to $30,000 or more, it might not be someone else. It might be you. So don't wait. Start checking now. And if you want to keep discovering coins with hidden treasure and life-changing value,